Most people flush their stool and move on with life.
But your poop can actually reveal cancer,
Parasites.
internal bleeding, and even sometimes diseases.
Before you even feel sick.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we entertain, educate, and bring you relevant and useful information about MLS.
So today we'll be talking about stool sample. That sample that make us get irritated in the lab, especially lab students, lab workers, lab scientists. Some of us are even irritated of the word stool because of the smell, the conch smell, the way it appears when you see them. Some of you, even after excreting the toilet, you can't even afford to look at your stool. So today, just bear with us and listen to the bangers we're going to be dropping about stool sample.
So, what is stool?
So stool, also known as feces, is a solid waste material removed from your body through the intestine. Stool is basically the waste material your body no longer needs.
It contains undigested food, bacteria, water, and dead cells. So, how is stool formed?
When you eat food,
Your body takes the nutrients it needs.
the remaining waste move into the large intestine,
Water is absorbed.
and what remains becomes stool.
So, what should a normal stool look like?
So a normal stool should be brown, soft, well formed, and easy to pass out.
Not too hard, not too watery, and not looking like a science experiment.
Good.
So next one, we are talking about the abnormalities that are found in stool sample and some things that scientists see
And
in
since
stool
that
sample.
we scientists did in the lab.
Shock them.
Number one, watery stool. So watery stool actually means diarrhea. So possible causes can include infection, contaminated food, contaminated water that can be caused by cholera.
If your stomach suddenly becomes a water factory, please hydrate. Number two, we have AST2. AST2 usually means constipation. Possible causes could include dehydration, low fiber intake, yeah, and so on.
Your intestine is basically saying, why you just feeding me with? Most of you eat shawarma alone, like causing constipation and some ìjẹkújẹ tẹ́ máa ń jẹ. Sorry.
So number three, we have blood in stool. Blood in stool should never be ignored. So the blood may come from pus, anal tears, and lower intestinal bleeding.
Basically, your stool should not be looking like horror movie.
Number four, we have black stool. Black stool can occur due to bleeding in the stomach, ulcer, and using of some medication like iron tablets.
If your stool look like aging oil, Auntie Bisola go for checkup. Yeah.
Number five, we have green stool. Green stool can occur due to eating of vegetables and fast passing of stool from the intestine.
Sometimes your stomach just says, today you are going to try a new color.
Number six, we have pale or clay colored stool. Very pale colored stool may suggest liver or bile duct problems because bile normally gives to its brown color,
So basically, your stool should not be looking like cement paste.
basically. Number seven, we have mucus in stool. So small mucus in stool may seem normal or may be normal, but excessive mucus may suggest infection, inflammation, or intestinal disease.
So, Sister Precious, if you are noticing some excessive mucus in your stool, please just go for checkup. Please, Angel.
Number eight, we have live worms. Yes, people actually do submit stool with live worms inside.
Not dead though, like moving worm. Imagine opening a sample bottle and you are noticing that a worm is trying to fight for their life, like they are trying to gain freedom, like running away from its shit itself. So crazy, guys. So we see many things, disgusting shit in the lab.
Number nine, we have corn that refuse to digest. Scientists have seen full corn inside stool.
Like complete corn, but still looking fresh.
That's because corn outer covering is difficult to digest sometimes.
Your intestine really said, I'm not processing all this.
Number 10, we have parasites under the microscope. Now, this one is where lab scientists become detectives. Under microscopes, we can see over cyst parasites.
Tiny organism living inside somebody's intestine rent free.
Number 11, we have undigested food. So sometimes stool can contain undigested food particles.
At that point, your stomach is basically saying, do it yourself.
So this may occur due to poor digestion, fast intestinal movement.
And also, it can be caused by malabsorption.
So number 12, we have strange objects. Scientists have seen seeds, beads, tissue paper, and variety of strange objects inside stool samples.
Sometimes scientists try to question the patient, like, how did you even produce this sample? So I can still remember a case of when our lecturer was teaching us in class, and he told us a story. A woman brought a sample, a stool sample of her daughter, and there were sense a lot of shit under like unrealistic things under the microscope. And then they asked the woman, how did you produce the sample? The woman just said she carried the pampers of the child and like start squeezing the stool inside the universal bottle. Imagine that kind of rubbish. So there are a lot of things we see inside the lab that we need to question actually. So moving on to the next.
Number 13, we have the smell. Let's not even talk about the smell.
Some stool sample can actually humble everybody in the lab. At that point, oxygen becomes luxury. For me, as an example, if if I'm being told to like to 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 carry out a stool sample, to carry out a practical stool sample, I'll just carry my nose mask, spray perfume on them like two nose masks. Then I have to wear a double fold nose mask before I can actually carry stool sample practical.
So now moving on to stool microscopy, basically what we can see under the microscope when viewing stool samples. So scientists can see ova, cysts, pore cells, red blood cells, and variety others under the microscope.
So that tiny stool sample can give a full medical record about a particular patient.
So guys, the funny thing is that people actually fear stool tests.
Scientist is just there saying, bring your stool sample, let's see what your intestine is hiding. So the next time a doctor or the lab scientist require for your stool sample, please don't be embarrassed.
Basically, the lab has already seen things beyond human imagination.
And your stool sample is probably not the worst.
Exactly.
So until that, please just endeavor to check your stool after like leaving the toilet to know if there's something wrong. Probably you can see blood, mucus, excessive mucus, or anything parasite, even worms, live worms moving. Just run to the nearest lab immediately because your health is in danger.
Yeah,
Thank you.
exactly.
So
So like, subscribe, share this video to
please and
anybody
comment.
that might need it, and
Yes.
please engage.
Ask students, please, what's the organism responsible for causing cholera?
Put it down in the comment section,
Put it down in
and
the comment section.
we'll be there to check it.
Do so see you in our next video.
Yeah.